Hi guys, Unboxing USA 1234 here, doing a quick video over the 12 gauge shells I have in my collection right now. Got Spartan double aught buckshot here, 2 3/4 inch, $13.97 at Academy Sports and Outdoors. Cheapest buckshot I've ever seen in a 25 round box, so pretty good. Hopefully it'll do pretty good, made in the European Union. So yeah, decent buckshot. On the top it says Arm USA, and on the bottom it says that, and then 1212 on the sides. Next up, I got some Rio Royal buckshot. This is the really cheapy stuff that's got the see-through plastic where you can actually see the bullets. So it is high brass, but I don't know. I hope it'll work good, but I've never tried it. Pretty cheap, $3.20 something a box. Next up, I got Winchester Super X. I think this is 6 or 4 shot. It's pretty rusty. This is just something I've got sitting in my collection that'll never be fired. Weird crimp on it, but anyway, Winchester Super X. Got some Remington 12 gauge Remington Peters, number 6 shot. Another one that's in my collection that won't be fired. Got some Federal here, just your basic Federal shell. Cheap bird shot, like $5 a box at Walmart. Got this from the Federal, the red, white, and blue Federals. This is the white one. Top Gun, same stuff, but it's in a white thing. Rio, target load, low brass, 12 gauge. Pretty cheap, like $6 a box. My favorite shells ever, the Estate 12 gauge 7.5 shot. That's some really good shells, very good shells. Next up, some really neat ones from my collection. I've got 20 of these right now. These are Silver Bear 12 gauge shells. I think there are 2 5/8 inch, so really weird shell length, but pretty cool. They're burden prime though, so you can't really reload them that easily. And finally, I've got this gold shell here. This is an ultra handicap load, and I think this is actually for people who can't handle the full strength shotgun shells. They say that these handicaps, like you know, people who really are handicapped can use them. But I got these because they had been hidden by somebody at Walmart, and it looked like maybe 3 or 4 years back, and it was a box design they don't have anymore. So I decided I'd go ahead and pick them up when I found them hidden back there. Thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, and comment.